look at me, trying to get a hug out of sleeping in your t-shirt. He's not you, she's not me, and every time we see each other we wish we had said something first. I think we both should have said, hey, I know we had our ups and downs, smiles and frowns, but you're not all bad, and I don't think I'm.
We're back with another video. It's been a week since our last update. I just got the correct size airbags. The dimensions are the same, as you can tell, the height and the width, but the only difference that it changes, I don't know if you really can tell on the picture, but this hole is bigger, the diameter, than this one, and also the threads are smaller, a little smaller. But now that we got the right size, before checking up all sides, what I'm going to do is lift up one side, take up the stress, and put the airbag, see if it fits. And if it does, and if it all goes well, we'll do the rest. So, alright guys, moment of truth. Let's disassemble this coil. There's a bolt. So you want to put this back the way you placed it. There goes the ring. It's the spring. You want to take off the dust hat. So let me show you again. As you saw in part 2, this is the original bag they sent me, which I'm going to return, of course. As you can see, it goes right through the coil. So now let's try the second bag that I just received. Now this is perfect. The threads on here, as you can see. So it has the thread on the coil. Alright, now to tighten this bad boy up. There it goes. So there you go. Converting from springs to bags on your making coilovers. If you ever want to convert your coilovers, I went with the AirTech bags. They look pretty cool, pretty dope. Now let's get this installed and start on the other side, and let's get this bad boy on bags today. Right kick. Better when you have two hands. I'm sorry, an extra set of hands. Alright. Let's jack this thing up. For those that are wondering, how do you take the strut up top? You got 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and 3 bolts. I take off the plastic. It's easier for me, faster, because I've dropped that inner bolt, or the bolt inside here, and it just goes down there, and I just lose it. So works for me. But looking good, guys. Just need to tighten up everything, move fast before it gets night. Believe it or not, I'm in Texas and like spring, almost summer, and it's 40 degrees. Crazy weather for Texas, but it's not gonna stop me. Alright, guys, quick comparison between the Megan's bag conversion and the regular or normal, I guess you could say, Megan coilovers. It's pretty easy. Let's keep going. Alright, the second one is in. Now I'm gonna run the lines. On this part 3 video, I'm not gonna show how to put the readers. You can check that one out on the second part. I haven't done it yet, but I'm about to because I'm running out of sunlight. But I'm gonna run the front lines, and I'll show y'all where I run them through. Alright, guys, we're about to start. Bear with me, I ran out of sunlight, so let's get this started. See how it goes. Let me hook up some fuses and we'll get it going.
Down off the drop. Down off the drop. Drop, 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 drop. Down off the drop, 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 down off the drop.
Have you guys? It's been calibrated. Let's see how this bad boy works. Aired up. That's aired up. Now let's air down. So there you have it, guys. The car is officially bagged. I was going over the video and I realized I didn't show where I ran the front airlines, and I didn't show on the part 1 and part 2. I didn't show where I connected this ignition switch or fuse. I didn't show where I made the hole through the firewall to get the cables to the battery. Also, I didn't show, there was one more thing. I think that was it. I don't remember. But I still have to swap the wheels, put the aftermarket wheels on. And I'm going to show y'all on another video all of those 3 things. Where I ran the front airlines, the fuse, ignition fuse, and the hole in the firewall for the cables to the battery. I'm going to show y'all those 3 things in another video. But we're officially on bags, guys. I'll ride, and I'll take the car for a ride for a week, and I'll update y'all on how it goes, how it rides, and I'll just share my opinion with y'all on the airlift 3 management system with the AirTag bags for any y'all guys with the B17. If y'all want to do it, highly recommend it. It's pretty easy install, pretty straightforward, nothing too hard, plug and play. It's pretty easy. But stay tuned, guys. If you like the video, subscribe, share, everything that helps me grow this channel. On this note, I would like to thank all of y'all that had subscribed. Finally hit 100 subscribers like a week ago. It's not a lot of subscribers, but we're getting there, bros. We're making this channel to get big. and getting the Sentra to get known out there for something. Even though it's not fast, it's a little turtle, but with good taste, we can make this car look good. But hopefully we can get the car on the map and get companies to work with the car, get it performance parts for it anyways. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.